Welcome again. This is the lesson three type of AI. So for you to really understand what AI is, you need to kind of know what the types are, so that you can navigate it properly. So that when you're using, you know which AI is in operation and which is not in operation. Narrow AI. Um, this lesson is more for me to go through so that you understand what the type of AI are: narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. Objective of this module lesson is for you to understand the three main type of AI: narrow AI, general AI, and super AI, super intelligent. Learn practical example what each being used for recognize where what type we're currently on today, and a potential future for the general AI and super AI. So, what are the type of AI? AI is classified into three main types based on their capability. So we have the narrow AI, which is on the weaker side. No, not like weak per weak, but minor type. And then we have the general AI, strong AI, and then we have super AI. Super AI, super general intelligence, super intelligence. Those are still be in the works. Narrow AI or weak AI definition. So it performs a specific task under limited rules, key features. It focus on a single task, uses data algorithms and training. Example like Siri, Alexa, um, on the other one. So they recommend they most I use, I mean, Amazon, Netflix recommend, like the algorithms helping to like recognize what kind of movies suit you. I mean, recommending and all that, image recognition, fraud detection, like specific tasks. Um, Practical example, AI power chatbot on e-commerces and all of the other ones. General AI. So this can perform any intellectual task a human can do. So features is to learn and adapt from experiences, handle multiple tasks without reprogramming. Yeah. So the current status is general AI. Uh, general AI. It's still in the research, but it's making progress. Making progress. So future example: robots teaching, cooking, fixing cars. So it's in the early stage. Let's say that it's in the early stage. Super AI, superhuman intelligence, capable of innovation. I don't think this is out here. Yes. Self-aware, emotional, perform human in, I mean, outperform human in problem solving and creativity. Current status is still in the theory, like it's not happened yet. So AI curing diseases and solving poverty. That is future, 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 future. So comparison of the AI, so narrow AI tags, specific tags exists today. Um, General AI thinks and adapt under research, but it's very common today, like the GP chart and all the other more advanced ones. Yeah, super general intelligence is still in the works. It's still in the works, not out yet. Why focus on narrow AI in Africa? So narrow AI is more practical and more flexible. Mind you, my goal here is to tailor these lessons towards on the specifics of Africa solving its problems. Um, So it can be used in agriculture, education, agricultural crop, detect crop diseases, a lot of, I mean, AI tutoring, education. This is where ChatGPT is at now. I mean, the more of the models and all of that being trained to solve specific problems in these fields like agriculture, health, healthcare, education, finance. Yeah. So my goal is that I think Africans can key into this AI and benefit a lot from it, tailor the it's to solve local problems. So, summary of the key points. So now AI starts specific and exists today. General AI mimic human intelligence happening right now. Still making a lot of progress, still more future. But I think a lot has happened. Super AI surpass human intelligence. May happen, may never happen. So this lesson theory. So this is more like the type of AI in terms of the capacity of how they perform. So thank you very much. I will see you in lesson 4. Have a blessed day. Thank you.